2023 PSLE Paper 2, Question 4. A group of students stood in 3 rows. The first row had 10 Y students. The second row had 4 Y fewer students than the first row. The third row had 2 more students than the second row. Find the number of students in the third row in terms of Y. Give your answer in the simplest form. Now, let's work on part A. First row. Y. Second row, 4Y fewer students than the first row, 10Y minus 4Y equals to 6Y. Third row, 2 more students than the second row, 6Y plus 2. Find the number of students in the third row in terms of Y. Give your answer in the simplest form. Okay, this is our simplest form. 6Y plus 2. Part B, there were 44 students in the third row. Find the value of Y. Given that the third row has 6Y plus 2 students, let's equate this to 44. Y equals to 44 minus 2. 6Y equals to 42. Y equals to 42 divided by 6. Y equals to 7.